Hello, good morning. I'm Rochelle Saclayan Navarro from Philippines. I'm 46 years old um, with three kids, two daughter and one son. My experience is looking after two newborn baby in Singapore. Doing household working, car washing, washing dishes, but I don't have much experience about cooking. But I'm willing to learn and I love cooking. I'm not afraid with pets. I'm staying I'm staying in a condominium houses in Singapore. Four families, four members in the families, mom, sir, and two son. I can control how to use phone if my employer don't allow me to use phone while working. I can accept not to use phone while working if that is their what do you call this, that is their, and I can accept only using my phone after my working hours. I can stay with daughter's mom's bedroom. I can accept it, and I can accept what time they ask me to wake up in the morning and stop in the evening. Thank you. Bye bye.